God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No.
Hey family and friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going from kitchen to cozy. This is my work from home self-care edition. Guys, sometimes when you work from home, you tend to neglect the essential self-care routines that may go neglected when you have a busy work day. So sometimes you just need to just stop and unwind and take care of you. When you spend most of your time at home working, and then once you're off work, you're cooking, and then you're tending to the kids, helping with homework, you may sometimes in the midst forget about you. So try and take some time to yourself, whether it's 15 minutes, half an hour, or even an hour, guys, and just tend to your needs. That would be a soak in the bath, whether it's a hot shower, a nice hair wash, which is what I'm doing right now. Just anything that is relaxing for you guys, because in the midst of it all, when you're working from home and when you're a busy mom like me, a person can lose themselves, and that's what you don't want. So family and friends, sit back and relax, and I hope this video is inspirational for those who can relate to the struggles with balancing your work life, family life, and self-care. Enjoy the rest of my evening unwind.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I